TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN, headline news update.
Good afternoon, folks. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN. I come to you, and we're approaching session lows right now. S&Ps, we came into the session higher territory this morning. We've given up now almost 1% from the highs. You got as close to 7,600 as you could. 75, 99, and 25 pennies. And since then, you rip lower at about 10 a.m., and we're challenging those lows right now. S&P's off by 36. NASDAQ 100 down by 0.5%, off 160 points, 30,560. Got the Dow hanging on to gains up by 23 points, 52,031. And the Russell right now leading the way up by 0.8%, up 24 points at 3,023. We check in on crude. A little bit of a roller coaster this weekend, but this morning, major progress, substantial progress. Crude down $1.82. We were just approaching $73. We're at $74.02 for the price of light sweet crude. Now yields, different story, man. Lower price, higher yield, 4.51 on the 10-year. Yields, a problem. Dollar picking up strength on the higher yield, 101 for the dollar, and that's weighing on metals. Gold down by $35 at 42.10. You jump over to silver, down by 77 pennies, off 1.1%. You jump over to platinum under pressure, down by 2%. Check out that chart of platinum, right? No bids whatsoever. Platinum, you're back to September prices almost, and back to almost July. It's constant pressure. Platinum was at 2,900. That was the peak high. You were as high as 2,600 last year. Platinum, 1675. Copper continuing to push the highs, though. Check out how well copper's performing. Right now, you're down by 2 pennies, but we're trading at 636 for the price of copper. We jump over the VIX volatility index today, 1742. A little elevated as you get a little bit of a market pullback. Now, check out some of the equities here. Okay. How about Google and Amazon today? Now, watch this. Google's down $20, folks. $20. Okay, and Amazon's got Prime Day coming up. Amazon's down $10. Amazon's down 4%. Okay, Google down 5.6%, down $20. Google has 12 billion shares outstanding, folks. Okay, so every $10 is 120 billion. So this thing is down about $250 billion in market capitalization today after they lose a second AI star. Pretty remarkable. You go over this, right? So employees are losing. How much should they be paying their employees? Well, their stock just went down $240 billion today. We'll come right back, folks.